We think billing is slower than the rest. We can see it in the averages. But seeing a difference and proving one are not the same thing, and the gap between them is where a lot of improvement projects quietly fall apart. Which is where most people freeze. There are dozens of statistical tests, and choosing the wrong one is worse than not testing at all. So the platform has a wizard that picks for you. It lives in the workbench, in the left sidebar, under Toolkit. And here it is, right at the top. Pick the right test, answer a few questions, and get routed to the right tool. Question 1, what do you want to do? We want to compare groups. Question 2, how many groups are you comparing? 2, billing against one other area. Question 3, is your outcome continuous or categorical? Response time in hours is a continuous number. So, continuous. 3 questions, and here's the recommendation. Hypothesis test, 2 sample T, and read why it chose it. Compares the means of 2 independent groups when the outcome is continuous, and reports a p-value plus a confidence interval for the difference. Notice what the wizard didn't do. It didn't ask you to remember what a t-test is. It asked what you have and what you want to know. Next lesson, we open that tool with real ticket data and find out whether billing really is slower or whether we've been chasing noise. See you there.